This is one of my favorite steak recipes. It has my mom's salad dressing as the marinade. It is perfection. All right, first thing we're gonna do is make our basil vinaigrette, and this is one of my favorite recipes. You see it all throughout the book. We're gonna add some shallot, garlic, some red pepper flakes, a little bit of salt, red wine vinegar, olive oil. And this is one of those sauces that you can use on anything. We're gonna make the marinade for our steak, and that is just balsamic vinegar, our garlic, olive oil, thyme leaves, a little bit of salt, freshly cracked black pepper. Whisk it up. This is just gonna set for a couple hours. Take it away. So let's just grab the steak. We're gonna let the carefully let as much of the marinade drip off of it as possible so we don't like get crazy amounts of smoke. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on it. Oh, look at that. We want it like nice and crusty on the top. That's gonna give you a little bit of bite when you bite into it. We're gonna make hard tomatoes, shallot and some garlic. Let that saute. Tomatoes are just gonna start to char, and that's gonna let them burst with flavor. We'll give them a quick toss, burst again, and then it's time to plate it up. This is perfect. Not too pink. This is my kind of steak. We're gonna top this with the charred tomatoes. We're gonna top it with the basil vinaigrette. This is literally the icing on the cake. So happy. The garlic and the shallot are incredible, and they like infuse the whole dish. I mean, I kind of want this every day of my life for the rest of the summer. I am probably gonna eat this entire thing myself. Make sure to like and subscribe to Delish. You can follow me at What's Gaby Cooking, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.